here on this side. You got through this fire. Well, hit that oil puddle right there. Don't go in the side. Yeah, you can't breathe. Hold on, guys. You guys are good. You're good. You guys are totally okay. You're good. Up now. Grab. Hey. We got a lot of fluid over here, Tommy. It's alright. We're good. A lot of fluid. Yeah, but not by anything hot, though. Alright, you guys are alright, we got him this time. 1, 2, 3. Now it's laying flat on the cars. Go, go, go! You got it! Yeah! Well, there's just fluid on the exhaust. Just fluid. Just training fluid on the exhaust. Yeah. You alright? Yeah. I'm trying to find the key. Where's the kid? They're up here.